Head towards the last phase of the election, several brokerage houses have come up with their own take on possible outcome scenarios and key market strategies that perhaps one could look at. Hormaz is here with some of the interesting notes. Hormaz, so what do you pick up?
It's almost as if the street has forgotten the fact that there is one more phase of polling left. They are all looking forward to the 1st of June with the exit polls and the 4th of June, which is the counting day. But a key talking point over these 6 phases of polls of the Lok Sabha elections that have concluded is the falling voter turnout. And over here, a lot of brokerages, most of them that I went through, were saying that the low voter turnout is not a big concern. Although the IIFL Securities is mentioning the fact that the falling voter turnout may indicate that absence of a wave for the incumbent government, but that is not a big concern because India has never seen a voter turnout rise for 3 consecutive elections going all the way back to 1967. Now the voter turnout increased in 14, in 19, and it may just end up being slightly lower compared to 2019 in 2024. What IIFL Securities also says is that the rise of the women voters in the last 2 elections will structurally benefit the BJP, which is currently in power, and they are hoping and they are anticipating the BJP to see a modest increase compared to the 303 seats that they had won the last time around. Now, if you remember in 2004, there was this massive India Shining campaign, but then the UPA sprung up a surprise. The IIFL Securities is saying that that is unlikely this time around just because of the huge difference in vote share between the BJP and the Congress. And they are expecting the BJP to win 320 seats compared to the 303 that they won in 2019. Now, JM Financial has laid out a bull case, a bear case and a base case for the number of seats that the BJP might win in 2024. A bull case scenario is a 310 seat outcome. A base case is 299, but a bear case is 290. But in all 3 scenarios, they are projecting the BJP and the NDA to be in absolute majority in this election as well. Now, policy continuity will result in opportunities in defense and capital goods, according to them, while they are finding valuation comfort in private banks and consumption. Now, as their strategy for the market, they're saying that they should use these dips to be bought. The VIX has peaked in this current cycle, but compared to the small and mid caps, they are preferring the large caps because of the sheer valuation comfort that they offer. And post the election, the focus will shift to the budget in the month of July. And lastly, Phillip Capital's assessment of the bull case scenario is projecting a 325 seat outcome for the BJP and a 360 seat plus outcome for the NDA. A base case is a 290 to 300 seat scenario, and a bear case is a no majority for the BJP but a coalition government led by the NDA with Prime Minister Modi swearing in as for his 3rd term. Now, when it comes to the stock picks that they are highlighting, a 1-year time frame is an interesting trend here. On a 1-year time frame, most of their picks are PSUs, the SBI, Bank of Baroda, PFC, REC, and some names like Gokaldas Exports and SP Apparel. Now, if you go to a 2 to 3 year time frame for their recommendations, it's the private financials that take center stage, and the large ones at that: HDFC Bank, ICICI, Bajaj Finance, and some pharma names: Sun Pharma, Syngene, Divi's Laboratories, SRF, and Aarti Industries. So some specialty chemical names there as well. So all eyes now on the 1st of June and then the 4th of June. Some jitters on the street, but I guess it's all priced in. Back to you.
Okay, all right. Hormaz, thanks very much for that. That's an interesting kind of takeaway. This is, of course, all the street view, JM Financial, IIFL, and Phillip Capital with their own sort of perspective. But all of them pretty much kind of saying that the base case really, of course, is continuity in that sense. Deepak Shenoy is